Hello people, so this is going to be a different video because I got a package which I obviously ordered. It's a Metrocathosaurus Hammond Collection Mattel toy, not sponsored. So let's open this up. Okay, I'm too weak for this. Let's just see. Oh my god, this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. This is the Metrocathosaurus. Look at the Metrocathosaurus. So, this is the back. You can read it. Okay. So the Metrocathosaurus, it looks cool. Oh god, sorry. It looks cool in the inside. Look at that. So I am going to open this up and let's see what's inside. I'm going to open the tape. Okay. Opening this bad boy in 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at him. This is him, Metrocathosaurus. Let's just unbox this. Oh, there's something sticking to his foot. There's another one of those. Okay. Oh, there's one at the hand. Wow. So this is him without the tail, but now just shortly we're going to attach the tail. Hammond Collection is basically a more special version of Mattel's dinosaurs. So let me just open this. This is the tail. It has wire to change its movement and position. Now let's just pop this thing on. Wow, this is Hammond Collection's Metrocathosaurus. Look at him, he is roaring. So this is a really good figure in itself. I like this detail around its eyes because it gives something of it makes it more complex. What I mean by complex is it does not look boring. I also like the orange around here because it will just be plain black if it wasn't for that. The articulation is the arm can move and the elbow can move. Sadly, there's no wrist location. Articulation. And for the leg, it has the leg joint, it has the knees, and it has the shins and ankles. And for the head, it has the jaw, and it has the upper part of the head. It has the neck swivels, and it has the lower neck swivels. I don't know what the name of that part is. And for the tail, it's made with bendy wire, So there's not articulation, but then it's like you can move it to any position you want. So every part of the tail you can maneuver. This is a great figure in itself. This is actually quite one of the best figures, not gonna lie. And it's my first Hammond collection. The inside of the mouth, it looks cool. It has a very good mouth articulation. It's not too stiff and it's not too loose, so I can put it in any position I want. And it's not one of those which will go like this and this. You can put it anywhere. You can even put it like this, yeah. This is a good figure, and I will rate this figure out of 10 a 9.8 out of 10. They could have just made the tail a little more flexible, but then it doesn't really matter. So this is in my opinion, a very good figure, and you should buy it. So thanks for watching my toy review, and please subscribe.